I guess I'm gonna call that a wrap for today. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm the host with the most, Easy E. Hey, y'all seen that thumbnail? Time for the teardown, baby. But before we get started, let's go take another look at the 2013 Chevy Impala that we picked up from Copart sometime last year. We made one video so we can get it moving. Here it is. For you people that's new to the channel, have been following me, y'all just pop in and pop out. 2013 Chevy Impala with 129,000 miles. Has front end damage, obviously. Has some rust back here. I'm thinking about cutting all this out right here and welding in a patch panel. See how good I can do body work and making a hard tape line across the body line right there. The paint. Got some scratches right there, more scratches. Probably gonna be buffed out. So I'm gonna have them back here. With this tail light, got more scratches. More scratches back there. More scratches back there. Probably gonna be buffed out. Another scratch over there. That's getting replaced. Got another one of those. Got another one of these to replace. This side ain't too bad. We got some rust trying to form. Got a dent right there. Tires are severely dry rotted, so I'm gonna order tires. That's what I get when I let these cars sit. Got another little ding right here. And I did give her a bath the other day. I didn't do it that good of a job, but I didn't see all this because it's covered by dirt. Like, do I gotta blend the door in too? Because black is black. But this is the damage. Like I said, if y'all not new to this channel, this whole tire, everything over here was knocked off. We had to go to the junkyard, get another knuckle, get another strut. We had to get brake line. Yes, and we had to get another tire. Look at what we had. LKQ had another rim that was the same because the other rim is toe up. We also got to order tires. Booty covers in the trunk. Everything looks good up under here. I did have to change oil pressure valve sensor because she did not start when we first got her because the sensor was broke. I just replaced that again the other day. But we gotta get all this situated. And it's a mess. But luckily, I kept the Monte Carlo side. So I can take parts off of this one, whatever I need, and graft it into that side. I already have this whole outer part right there off of this one. It's up there. Because on this one, obviously, it all got crushed and it's rolled over. So to get my alignment back right, because I don't got no frame machine, I'm going to try to do some tugs, some pulls. And get that as far out as I can. But that'll be off camera. Got another reservoir. But let's start taking this apart. Got the hard side off, the mangled side, right there. Which is all mangled. But further investigation, it looked like this could be an easy fix. No, this whole piece got to be replaced. This inner piece should be really flimsy. That should be easy to knock back out into place. But what it looked like, something came in at an angle right here and went up this way. They came off, then went across the door, which knocked all this in. You see there, I got to pull that out, get that back out, or do a patch to cover that up. I got a lot of metal work to do. Then after that, new tires, then the wheel alignment. Get these tabs bent back in the right spot. Because those got all bent out of shape. They only on there with some rivets. Could rivet them off another car and rivet them back on this car. Looking at next time I'm up there. Don't have none that's all bent up. Like I said, I got all that, these right here, basically over there on the Monte Carlo. Fender apron, whatever you want to call it. Piece up here. Ooh. Trying to hold the camera and carry this. Yep, should go back up there like so. Should give me oh, this ain't gonna work. I have to go to the junkyard and drill another one out. This one is longer. Oh, I was gonna have an easy fix. I have to go to the junkyard and do what I just did to that car, thinking they both be the same length from a 2-door and a 4-door, but nope. I can still use that for some reference pieces. Still be good. I gotta get like that bracket. A lot of brackets still work. But now I'm going to the junkyard. I'm drilling off another one of these pieces after I drill off this one eventually. But we still got a lot more to tear down. The header panel was all busted up, as y'all can see, so that gotta come off. Only got a quarter of a bumper left. That gotta come off, and this fender gotta come off. So let me keep on working. Okay, now that I got all that. Well, I might want to get another, find one of those holders. I got all that done. I'm going to throw the old hood back up here. So if it do rain, or I might not, or if we get some more rain showers like we just had yesterday, then I will. But yeah, I started drilling out the spot welds. Well, I didn't drill them out. I use my drill bit to make the initial hole, and I come back with the spot weld drill bit. But those are my guides. Hopefully I'll be able to get that off without a hitch. So let this party continue. I guess I'm gonna call that a wrap for today. Got the old piece out. It don't look too bad. I use my portal power and I push all this back out using the alternator as a brace. And I push all that out, try to knock some of that back down. Yep, got to push all this back out with the portal power. Push that out with the portal power. Then when I get to the, because all this should be flat. Because I always can drill out some more spot welds in here. And drill out these spot welds and take this little piece off and splice another one in. Or just try to bend it back out as good as I can get it and go from there. But first, I'm gonna need to go to the junkyard and get another apron. So y'all know what that means. So if you would, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on your social media. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you be notified when they release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's all links in the description area below. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play